Alright guys, hopefully you can see me. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm doing something a little different because today I actually got a sneak peek a day early. I'm in the Hamburg Fairgrounds in Hamburg, New York. They're having a big RV sale and I always come to this because it's the biggest one they have once a year. So this big guy right here, this is a park model and these are just, they're gorgeous. I mean, you can just park this somewhere, hook it up. You know, I mean, it doesn't have holding tanks, but this thing is just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Residential appliances. I mean, this is what you find in a regular home. Full-size stove and oven. Farm-style sink. I mean, lights everywhere, cabinetry, the backsplash is like that copper look. You know, you got your kitchen island right here, which you can move around if you want. You have your TV right there with your fireplace. Then you have a regular full-size residential couch, L-shape. You got your, you know, your rustic lamps, and then you have the upstairs. We'll get to that in a second. But they have so many different versions of this trailer. I mean, these are beautiful. I want one of these so bad. I mean, yeah, it is, the toilet's a little different, but you got your regular shower. And try not to get in there. Regular sink, nice big shower, residential. You know, and it's got the seating in there for both sides, so even if you're, you know, you got bag legs, hey, you need to rest for a second, you can, or just sitting there soaking the hot water. Then you have your bedroom here. Now it steps down into it. Queen size bed. And got your regular residential fuse box. Regular residential windows. Beautiful. And then you have, let me make my way over here. You put your TV right there, that'll probably hold a 40-inch, no problem. You got all your dresser drawers down there. Oh, the closet goes all the way down. I know it's a little tough to see, but it goes the whole length of this. I mean, the whole entire length of the whole closet. But the best part, this is what gets me. This is the cool factor. Oh, you even got a little cabinet space right here. This is the best thing. They have it upstairs. Even though they still had this closed off right now. They're not fully set up yet. Not until tomorrow. But it's like a kid's room. I mean, you can put, you know, probably a queen size mattress right there. Lay it down, or even up here. If you wanted to sleep an extra, you know, 4 adults up here comfortably, you can. Full railing. Yeah, I mean, this will sleep, you know, easy with mattresses, 6 people. Nice, you know, these are nice metal bars. These aren't cheap wood. This is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at this. You know, the copper backsplash. Nice big, this is a nice copper sink. It even comes with baked bread. Look at that. I don't recommend eating it. Might be a little bit more regular. Regular residential refrigerator and freezer. Oh, and they're on. So yeah, this is a beautiful model. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. I'm going to go over, and there's a couple more I got to look at, and I'll do more videos. And I'll be back with that.